Fix that and find out what else the PLP and FNM going to try to come up with against you. But as long as you leave that there, you're going to have a problem. And you're not going to be successful in this election. At all. Don't pay her and watch. You ain't got to pay her. You ain't got to give her $1. But just understand that election coming, no CAY within their seat. And see, Maria done betray me because Maria discussed some things regarding my court case in a WhatsApp chat group, a TMI WhatsApp chat group. She didn't put it out there. She gave it to the people, and the people used it against me. My personal matter, so Maria done lost. She ain't winning her seat at all. She could go sit down, ain't nothing happening for her. You understand what I'm saying to you? But until you pay this woman, until you meet your obligations, ain't nothing happening for you. Meet your obligations. And that ain't got nothing to do with... Let me read what he says. He says, my brother, you are making false statements but refusing to allow me to join your life. Lincoln, I have not made any false statements. Since it appears you want to intentionally spread misinformation. No, I don't want to spread information. You had a court case with a woman where you and her had some agreement with $40,000. You agreed that you can give her, in return for $40,000, $53,000. You say your place burned down. That ain't had nothing to do with her because she wasn't a part of your investment. She was just somebody who allowed you to use the money that was in escrow in the court documents that you shared. Come on now, and they online. You lost the original case, and the court ruled that you owed the woman $64,000. The reason why the court ruled that you owed the woman $64,000 was because even though the maturity of the agreement that you all had was 2013, she didn't take you to court until 2015 when you didn't give her money, or 2016. And so the courts put in the interest for all of those years, bringing it to bringing the original ruling to $64,000. The court ruled against you. You lost. You appealed that ruling. You made several inferences with respect to that, and the courts did not agree with you. Yes, there were some things that they questioned, but as it relates to the overall case, they said, no, sir, you owe this woman her money and you need to pay her. You then went to the Privy Council, who was satisfied that what was done with the Supreme Court case and what was done with the Appeals Court case was fine, and you owe this woman her money. You still have not moved to make arrangements to pay her. When the question was asked whether you're paying her, you said that the lawyers are dealing with that. Call me a liar. I know what you say. You said that. As a matter of fact, you were saying it, and your supporters were saying it. Now that the document showed up in the newspaper demanding that you be to court on March 12th, y'all turn around and say, no, y'all want a proof of life. Proof of life is something that you cannot demand. You cannot demand proof of life. Under no circumstances. You can't demand it. You are the respondent in this case. The court has already ruled in this case. Her attorneys have a right to represent her. She don't have to show you nothing. And then you turn around in your own cases. You have an agenda. I feel like you have an agenda.